If you're an Egyptian but a U.S. citizen and you got U.S. passports and citizenship for your children, despite the fact that you didn't live in the United States, you got to be careful. The U.S. Embassy in Cairo is taking away hundreds and hundreds of young children's passports, U.S. passports, whose parents were U.S. citizens but didn't reside here long enough, who later on went through a process of getting a green card for the children, and by getting the green card, come to the United States, they requested U.S. passports. Now, the problem is that they didn't reside in the United States with the children long enough to be able to actually get the passport legally, but they're issued it anyway. So it's a little bit complex situation. It's unbelievable, frankly. A lot of people don't even believe this is the case. But hundreds and hundreds of young children have had their U.S. passports taken away in Egypt because they didn't reside in the United States after they got their green card with their U.S. citizen parents. So I'm getting these calls right now. We're helping families. We're getting the first set of passports reissued because of reobtaining citizenship based on grandparents, sometimes based on parents, and for some, starting the green card process all over again. So definitely email the office, info@jakeandkaylaw.com if this is a situation you had. We really got to talk about it. It's a disaster situation. So many families calling me crying, having their children's passports taken away. It's an incredible situation. That's really, caused distress in the families. So I hope that information helps you be prepared for it. For those who aren't Egyptians, U.S. citizenship isn't automatic if your parents are U.S. citizens. There are, nuances to it. So you got to be careful. Passports could be issued incorrectly. They could be taken away. So you want to make sure you had the right passport in the first place and you follow all the rules so that they don't take it away later, and they could do so at any time. Unfortunately, that's how the game works.